Hello, everybody. Welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week, I'll be sharing the recipe for the lip smacking Kadhai Paneer, paneer, onions, and bell peppers cooked with freshly ground spices. To begin, take 200 grams paneer and cube it into bite sized pieces. Dice half a cup of onions and a cup of bell peppers into similar sizes and keep aside. To prepare the kadhai masala, dry roast 1 tablespoon coriander seeds dhania, 2 teaspoons cumin seeds jeera, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds sauf, and 2 whole red chilies on low heat until you get a nutty aroma. Allow them to cool and grind them into a coarse powder. Keep aside. To prepare the gravy, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add in a teaspoon cumin seeds jeera and allow them to crackle. Add in 2 medium onions, finely chopped, and saute until translucent. Add in 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste and saute some more until the onions are almost brown. Add a teaspoon of salt so that the onions cook faster. Next, add in the dry masalas, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons cumin powder jeera, 2 teaspoons coriander powder dhania, and half a teaspoon turmeric powder haldi. Mix. Add in 3 medium tomatoes pureed, and saute until the oil starts appearing on the sides. In the meantime, prepare the paneer and vegetables. In another pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Add in the onions and bell peppers and saute on high heat for a few minutes until half done. Move them to the side. Add the paneer cubes. Mix well. Cook for a minute or two. Add in half a teaspoon salt, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and the kadhai masala prepared earlier. Mix until well coated. Add these to the gravy. Mix well. Add some water if required. Cook for a few minutes so that the paneer and vegetables soak in the masala. Do not overcook the vegetables. Check the salt and add more if required. Adjust the gravy as per your taste. The kadhai paneer is ready to serve. Garnish with garam masala powder and chopped green coriander leaves. Serve with parathas or naans. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.